nut bolt in, then a washer, then another nut, and then this goes over here. So depending on the size of the bicycle, you can place it accordingly. So on this bicycle it goes on the upper one, and then another washer, and this washer which looks like the turbine blades or fan, and then the final nut. So once we screw it in and tighten it, it should stay in place. Okay, so this has been screwed in here. Let's unscrew the axle bolt, and then we will install it with this axle bolt. काफी टाइट है. So loosen this side a little bit and then go to the other side and loosen the other side a little bit as well. Okay, so both sides are now loose, and then now we are going to completely remove one side. So this clip basically goes inside, and then it holds it into these two notches. These two edges go into these two notches, so that this thing can be held in place and it doesn't move side to side. So we will install this clip, I suppose, like this, or we can install it. No, that is the only way we can install. So it looks like once we install this thing, it is going to be at an angle like this, not directly downwards like this, which should be okay, I suppose. So now just screw it in, and then you have to tighten this screw back. Okay, now let's install the other side. So again we will have to remove this nut and install this wheel, just like so. So again first I will install the wheel to the bracket and then I will install the bracket to the bicycle. Same routine, one washer, one nut, followed by a washer and nut on the other side with this compression washer. So this one is secured in place and now we will install it here. So this side is tight, I will just make sure the other side is tight as well. So now it is all done.